Hey, welcome back guys. My name is Melvin and this is Hoya's Detailing Services. Today I'm doing a 3-stage correction on a Toyota Tacoma. First off, I started off with inspecting the vehicle. As you can tell, I'm just walking around making sure there's no big scratches, dents, if we need to call a dent removal person to come and take care of that. Then basically I start washing it, and that wash is going to push down most of the contaminants at first, and then I come back with a second pass, use a brush to get all the edges, make sure the majority of the stuff is off. There we go. This stuff right here is just annoying at times because it'll come off real easily depending on the vehicle and the type of adhesive that the sticker has. Alright, here's a cinematic angle, and I'm just checking the paint again. I do walk through the vehicle quite a bit. I have a couple tools you saw in the top of the trunk, or on top of the bed, sorry. And this one had a couple. You see them right there by the fender. Now you're gonna see them throughout, and those are swirl marks. It's normal. Just, you wash your car, you try your best, and if you do the 2-bucket method, you can keep at it. But if it just comes down to having a couple of scratches here and there, once you polish it once a year, you should be fine. Alright, after that ASMR moment, I take this part off of the hood because if I didn't take it off, the section wouldn't be rotary, polished, or anything. You can try your best to work around objects, but something as easy as taking 4 or 5 screws off, I'd definitely do it. And with this root pad, a 3-inch pad, it's a microfiber pad, I started off with compounding, and it's mainly for places that I can remove those scratches without going too far. The majority of the vehicle was rotaried. I used I believe it was a white wool pad and the purple to clean it up. Alright, so I tried to go through my B-roll and it wasn't working out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you on my own personal car. The first step was washing it down and then getting all the dirt off of the vehicle. Then I'm clay barring it right now, and that'll take all the contaminants just like it did in the Tacoma. Drying it off and checking everything, making sure everything's off of it. So the salt and pepper pad is actually from Presta. It's a black and white pad that is a heavy cut, and I'm using 110 for the compound, and then I had to switch over to M100 because it was working a whole lot better. Then I switched to the purple pad there, and I rotaried all the tracks out as much as I could. Then I cleaned it up with the blue one. That blue pad is a heavy polishing pad, and then I went with the yellow medium foam pad. I used 210 for that, and this is basically what I did to Tacoma. As you can see, it takes out most of the scratches, and it pretty much. So here I start with the ceramic. I alcohol the entire vehicle. Once that's completely clean and you get all the crevices, just get it perfect. The prep is the main thing. If you leave any type of oils, residue, or fingerprints, it'll pop and you'll notice. You don't want to go back and fix it later on. The product I'm using is Geon, and I went with the Synchro line. It comes with nose, and it also comes with the skin product. And at first you just start off with applying skin. You just let it flash, it starts sweating. When it starts beating up, then you wipe it off, and that's the completion of it. You have to make sure you have 2 microfiber towels, because the first one's going to go ahead and clean up the majority of it. The second one, you're really going to come back and buff it out. When that's complete, you wait your 45 minutes and you you apply the second product, which is skin. Same way as you did the first one. You just You get 2 microfiber towels, make sure it's all alcohol. You go ahead and apply it, wait for the flashing, which is the beating up of like sweat. You'll see all those bubbles, and like I said, you just clean it up, buff it, and that's the end result. You should end up with a really shiny vehicle. And like the wheels, I'm just gonna go ahead and let it roll. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It's the process I'm just explaining for paint is the same thing I'm doing over here for the rims. Alright, so your end result should be a very beautiful vehicle. Now, if you're looking at the rims right now, yeah, they look really good. I love them. I love this product. Gian, if you're listening to me, great stuff. Great stuff. It's amazing. I've enjoyed it for years, and I'm still going to keep using it. Die-hard fan. Underneath there, that's all dressing. He didn't pay for like a coating package under there. And then the paint just came out great. The vehicle wasn't old, as you can tell. There were some scratches, minor ones, not too deep, and just try to get it to perfection. The customer just wanted something nice, and I know they take care of it, and I was very glad to help him out. This is the stage at which he wanted his vehicle, top notch, and I'm sure it'll stay looking like this for years to come. This is Hoya's Detailing Services. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. If you want to leave a comment and let me know what else you guys want to see, go for it.